In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create buttons to swap sheets in Tableau Desktop. Let's dive in and guide you step by step through this process. First, fire up your Tableau application and access the worksheet you want to work with. If you've already been working on some sheets and are looking to add buttons to enhance navigation, you're in the right place. We'll start off by opening a new sheet. Once you're there, head over to the top menu and locate the Analysis tab. Click on it and choose Create Calculated Field from the drop-down menu. We're going to create a few fields here. Start by naming the first one Sales Button. Inside the formula field, type in Sales as your query and confirm. Next, we'll create another calculated field. This one should be called Product Button, and you'll enter Product into the query box here. Now we need two more fields, so repeat the process. Create a new calculated field, and this time you'll name it 0, typing in 0 as your query. For the fourth one, name it 1 and simply enter 1 as your query. With these fields created, we'll move on to modifying their properties. Let's start with the 1 field. Locate it, right-click on it, and select Convert to Discrete. Following that, right-click once more and choose Convert to Dimensions. You'll need to perform the same steps for the 0 field. Convert it to Discrete, then to Dimensions. With these transformations in place, drag the 1, 0, and Sales Button fields over into the Marks area of your worksheet and add them individually to Detail. Appropriately rename this sheet to Sales Button so you know exactly what you're dealing with. Next up, open another new sheet. We're going to repeat the Marks process here, but this time drag 1, 0, and Product Button into the Marks field and into the Detail area one by one. After you've set them up, rename this sheet to Product Button. For better visualization, it's a good idea to set both sheets to entire view. This ensures that your dashboard displays data as comprehensively as possible. Now let's add these sheets to your dashboard. Open your dashboard view and start by dragging a vertical container onto the canvas. Once that's settled, drag both of your newly created sheets inside this container. The final step involves creating 4 actions. Head over to the dashboard menu again and select Actions from the drop-down. Click on Add Action and choose Filter to begin setting actions for your buttons. Each filter will need a name, so give it one that makes sense to you. Select the source sheet and identify the target sheets. Finally, add filters by the selected fields to complete the action setup. And there you have it. You've successfully created button-controlled sheet swaps in Tableau Desktop. With practice, you'll seamlessly integrate this into your data presentations. Thanks for watching, and happy data visualizing.